Say goodbye to dry and flavorless fish and say hello to a delicious and moist grilled fish. This recipe is perfect for summer barbecue and outdoor cooking. So, if you want to impress your friends and family with the perfect grilled fish recipe, stick around to the end of this video and watch the ultimate grilling guide and learn how to make the perfect grilled fish every day and anytime. For that rich taste of grilled fish, you need to first of all apply some spices on the body of the fish. And you are going to be needing some spices, which are garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, seasoning. You can use any spice of your choice, but these are just what I have and this is what I'll be using. So for the fish to be able to absorb all those ingredients, you need to make incision on the body of the fish. Apply all these spices in a bowl, mix everything together, add some oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use sunflower oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, whatever oil you have available to you. Feel free to apply it. Then generously apply those spices that you have mixed together with the oil. Apply it on the body of the fish and let it sit for about 30 minutes. You can decide to pop it into your refrigerator, or you can just wrap it around with a cling film and allow it to sit for 30 minutes or 1 hour so that the fish can be able to absorb all those ingredients properly. After 30 minutes of resting in the refrigerator, take it out of the refrigerator. Line your baking tray with an aluminum foil or a parchment paper. Gently place your fish on the tray, then pop into your oven for about 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry up. So while that is grilling, go ahead and make your pepper sauce. So to make our pepper sauce, we are going to be needing some oil, onions, our pepper mix, which consists of a habanero pepper, red bell pepper, ginger and garlic. Give that a quick stir. Add your spices. You can use any spices of choice. Here I use oregano. I used a curry, thyme and pepper, then some seasoning and salt. Allow that to fry for some minutes before taking it out. After the fish is quite dry, take it out and begin to apply the pepper mix that you have fried earlier on. Apply it generously on the body of the fish, inside the fish, every nook and cranny. This is to make it savor the taste very well. So after applying, you use another extra aluminum foil to cover it up so that it will be able to steam up the fish and absorb all the ingredients. Transfer it back into your oven and allow it to grill for another extra 10 minutes. At this stage, the aroma of the fish has taken over the entire kitchen and everyone seemed to be salivating. So while we wait for the fish to finish grilling, I went ahead to fry some yam to complement it with my yummy and delicious fish. Look at that yummy, delicious, grilled, tasty fish. So what's this fish without plantain? I already have my yam and I said, no, let me take out my frozen plantain that I have in the freezer to join it with my fish. And I also made some salad to complement it with this fish. Everyone, this recipe is so head slapping and it's a must try for every home. So if you have watched to this stage and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Am I not giving you premium content? So if you enjoy watching this video, do well to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family who needs to see this video, comment and let me know what you want me to show you in the next video. I love you all and hope to see you on my next one. See you all and bye for now.